Ngelang jogikin hon
And
menteri
I would like
Meghalaya
to just read out
Democratic
the
Alliance
names of
agak
the
waiter kenai
winners
kelalin kot
or the
arazar
people who
arbulan
have been
kala menjuri kyrteng jogi
awarded
nongioh khusna
for the
Meghalaya Day
Meghalaya Day
Award
Award.
arazar arbulan
So the Uturot Singh
khusna
Award
Putirot Singh
will
Award
be,
layok
which is
pediang
for
da
art
kekong
and
Sweety Mon
literature.
Renja
The
khusna
person
patugan
who's been
sangma
awarded
layok pediang
is
da Dr.
Srimati
Jennifer Basayomoy
Sweetimon
khusna
Rinja.
bukyang nangba layok pediang da
Second, for the
Clingson di Marak
Pathogan Meghalaya Day Award. And I would like to just read out the names of the winners or the people who have been awarded for the Meghalaya Day Award. So the Uturot Singh Award will be, which is for art and literature. The person who's been awarded is Srimati Sweetimon Rinja. Second, for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, the awardee is, person who's getting the award is Dr. Jennifer Basaimet. The third, which is the U Kyong Nangba Award for Sports and Games, the award is being given to Shri Clingson D. Marak. So these are the three awardees, and these awards, as you are aware, will be given out on Republic Day.